Andy and Mrs. Emma on the plane, and nothing's gonna be the same. So join them on their overseas trip and watch the whole video, and don't just skip. Andy and Mrs. Emma on the plane, and nothing's gonna be the same. So join them on their overseas.
Well, here we are. Very noisy door. We are in room number 30 at the White Hart Hotel here in Braintree. Just going to give you a quick room tour. A little double bed, which has apparently got quite a firm mattress on it, isn't it?
Yeah, it's very firm.
Mrs. M's in the house, as usual. Right, have a little pan round. Now, we've been a bit duped here because I thought I booked this through Expedia, and I thought I was going to get a nice room with all slatted bits behind here, and it's all oldie worldy, and we've been sold this one instead. So I'm going to pan you around. It's not great. I mean, it's okay. A few blemishes here and there on the furniture. But have we got a hairdryer, have we? Oh, Mrs. M's happy. Got some bits and bobs there to have a look at. Got some teas and coffee. Nice clean kettle. Little lamp. We've got some plug sockets either side of the bed, which is handy. So it's just a bit old fashioned, but I wanted the oldie worldy room, but we didn't get that. A few stains on the carpet here and there. Not sure what that is. Don't really want to know, to be honest. But not bad. And the reason we're here, I'll just show you the bathroom quickly. Nice full length mirror. Going into the bathroom. It's all pretty good, but it's just not really what I wanted. But we're here for one night. I'll explain in a second. Toilet. Shower. Nice big raindrop shower head. Enough room in the shower for me. No one else. Towels. We've got shower gel. We've got a hairdryer, Mrs. M already said. It's all right. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just a bit. When you've been promised a Rolls Royce, it is big and easy at hotel without a doubt. But when you've been promised a Rolls Royce and you end up with a Skoda, this is kind of how we are. I booked through Expedia, and I will be having a word with them. This is the back end of the hotel. It all looks nice, and we're going to have a little wander out soon. It's all white, slatted on the front, and all sort of Tudory effect, everything.
You got free parking.
Oh, we did get free parking, yes. So it's not bad. Now, we are here on a pre-flight video. So we're staying tonight in Braintree. I'm in Mrs. M.
Yes.
And where are we off to tomorrow?
To Benidorm.
To Benidorm. We're going to go on a St. Patrick's bender for 3 days, aren't we? So, and then check into rehab first thing Wednesday morning. So anyway, this is the room, and we will show you around the town a little bit, have a few drinks. Got to be done, isn't it? Got to be done before we get up fairly early in the morning to go to the airport. So, here we go.
It's just somewhere to sleep.
What?
Just somewhere to sleep.
It's somewhere to crash out. Firm. I think the mattress is a bit firm. I think if you jumped on that, you'd hit your head on the ceiling. It's that firm. It is quite firm. Anyway, we are going to venture out into Braintree a little bit. I don't know if we're going to film any of that. I don't know if it's really worth filming any of that. Might film a bit of food. I know they've got a Wetherspoons, so I'm happy chappy. So there is a restaurant here, and I do. They have got a bar in. We might have a bar. We might have a drink in the bar later on. Looks a bit quiet at the minute, but it is tea time-ish.
I don't know. You haven't been in the bar. It's over there.
The bar, yeah, but I mean out the back's quiet, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Anyway, okay. So we will catch up with you.
People are just going in the bar. They don't really drink and drive, do they? So
Well, obviously not.
probably don't bring their
You
car.
drive me to despair. I don't want to drink. Anyway, so we will catch up with you later.
No chance I can do it.
Well, we turned up. We're in Spoons, didn't we, in Braintree? And I just took a sip out of mine, so I can't dip it. I forgot. But we're getting into the Irish spirit of things, aren't we?
I can never do it. I would never try it.
I forgot to try it, actually, to be honest, but I've been doing plenty of that the weekend. But anyway, we're on our first drink. Got ourselves a nice little Guinness each. We're going to have some food, a couple more drinks. We can't be up too late. We've got to be up early in the morning, haven't we? Cheers. Happy holidays, Mrs. Im. Nice one. Thank you very much. Thank you. We've got to swap them round. So you've got the beef madras with all the bits and the poppadoms. I paid a little extra for the naan bread and the poppadoms. And I have got what was called the Empire Steak Burger with chips and onion rings. But it looks a bit Empire Steak. Let's see, Empire Steak's got a bit smaller than it used to.
You should remember what I had.
Yours smells delicious, but they've got our drinks on way round. Swap the drinks over. You've got Southern Comfort, Coke. I've got a Tankley number 10, which is 37% proof. And the elderflower tonic.
I gave you some of my Guinness, by the way.
Sorry?
I gave you some of my Guinness.
Yes.
Huh?
Say again?
I gave you some of my Guinness.
Oh, did you? Oh, good on you.
That's what I'm like. I'm nice.
Oh, bless you. Anyway, we're going to enjoy this. What's your curry like?
It's really nice.
Good? It does look nice, to be honest. It smells not good from over here. I'll be honest.
Well, what do you think of yours then?
Really good. Really nice. The burgers are really good.
Are they?
My chips are just normal spoonsy chips. But I can't fault it. I mean, it's not as big as I thought it was going to be. But
That's what I was thinking.
it was supposed to be like the big Empire Steak. I thought it was going to be a real big burger.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
But not bad. Not
Well,
bad.
I've got like, wait, you've got your glass of gin in the way,
Is
and
it?
I've got some comfort.
I've got bacon in it, cheese in it. It's quite nice.
Good.
It's spoons. It's quite nice.
You love spoons, don't you?
Yeah. Well, I'm nearly done on mine. I have to say, that was really good. I've had burgers in American-style restaurants that weren't as nice as that. That's a big thumbs up from me. That really is a big thumbs up from me. Can't knock that at all. We don't score things on this channel, do we? Out of 10. No. We just say, is it value for money? Will we come back? Well, it's Wetherspoons, so definitely value for money. And yes, I would definitely come back. How are you getting on with your Madras? Good. Really good. I had a bit of a taste of it. It is really, really good, isn't it? It's not like you get in a proper Indian restaurant, but it's also better than what you get in one of them takeaway boxes you get from Asda or Tesco's with the little pre-packed meal things. It's better than that, isn't it? It's somewhere between the two. But you can definitely tell it's not like your proper Indian takeaway. But nice. But nice. So we're going to come back when we finish these. But if you're wondering what that is, I always mix my mayonnaise with my mustard. That's what I always do. Makes a bit of a gooey mess, it's like a broken egg, but I like it that way. But I've got to say, that burger, absolutely fantastic. As Gary Barlow would say, it's absolutely fantastic. Can't knock it. It's good. Really good. I think I overruled on the poppadoms, because I think you had 4, didn't you?
Yeah, too many.
I paid extra for what you didn't need them. But yeah, top notch. I've just done the maths on my dinner, right? And if you take, because this is a Tanqueray number 10, which with a tonic is worth £4.75, and my meal was £11. I can't remember now. Anyway, it worked out. I took the drink off the price of my dinner, and my burger and stuff came to £7.20. I'll do that again. I just took the price of my drink off my dinner, and my dinner come to a total of £7.20, and that's a Tanqueray number 10 gin, which is 47% proof. So £7.20 for that burger. That's not bad. That's not bad. And I haven't worked yours out, but I think yours worked out like £7 as well. You got Southern Comfort Lemon. I think yours worked out about £7 as well. So when people look at the food at Spoons and they start moaning about the size and everything else, take that off, take the price of your drink off, that's not a bad deal. £7.20 for what I had, and you get the proper drinks as well. You're not getting no Mickey spirits, you're getting the proper ones. That's not bad value. No, you can't knock it. You know,
That's really nice.
until there comes up with a substitute pub, which is as good as Spoons and give you the same deals, I'll stay here. Well, we got back to our hotel and we thought we'd have a little nightcap before we got big, because we got back there every morning. Anyway, I had a little voucher for 30 quid. And I went to the bar to use it, and they said, don't accept it here, because it's part of Venture Hotels, it is Whitbread Pub, but they don't accept vouchers. Anyway, so I ordered a drink, I'll still pay for it, not a problem. So I ordered a pint of Abbott's, and I ordered a Southern Comfort and Coke, and he poured out a Southern Comfort lemonade, right? And he realised he made a mistake. And he said, "Do you want a free drink?" I went, "Well, I'll have it." Southern Comfort lemonade, it is. We've done all right today, haven't we?
So they don't. It's something before, isn't it?
It did.
When it's been
Yes.
accepted.
So the voucher isn't valid in here for 30 quid, but I got a free drink out of it, so I don't care. Go on, Mr. Go on. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going till your eyes get crossed. Bit more. Oh.
I cannot do it.
Even touched
I
it.
know.
I'm going to have a go at mine in a minute. Anyway, good morning everyone. Welcome to London Stansted Airport. We've got a couple of hours before our flight to Alicante, haven't we? So we're going to chill out, have a couple of drinks and enjoy the trip.
But you've got a bigger mouth than me, so that's quite good going. Quite good. That is really good. Really good. You've been practicing, haven't you?
Let's hope so. Any more where that came from? Cheers.
Anyway.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Well, our gate is about to be called, so we're going to down these, and the next time you'll see us, we'll be on the plane. Say yes!
I get the feeling it's a good night. It's so bright. The city's shining from the street lights. So let's live it up, pick it up, just call me up. Say anything and I'm down. We're just like a fire, and we'll just pick it up, live it up, don't wanna stop. We'll keep it going all night. Yeah, yeah. 'Cause I want to dance in the rain. Yeah, I'm tripping on a feeling that ain't going away. I need you right next to me. Take the records to the ceiling, close your eyes and just play. And now we sway. We just sway. Now we sway. We just sway. Don't stop now. We're like the river in the sky. Flying high. Don't think we're ever coming down. So let's live it up, pick it up, just call me up. Say anything and I'm down. We're just like a fire, and we'll just pick it up, live it up, don't wanna stop. We'll keep it going all night. Yeah, yeah. 'Cause I want to dance in the rain. Yeah, I'm tripping on a feeling that ain't going away. I need you right next to me. Take the records to the ceiling, close your eyes and just play. And now we sway. We just sway. Now we sway. We just sway. Levitating with you, anything can happen.
Oh, this is our first item of Benidorm cuisine. We're in a kebab shop. It's a long story. We'll explain to you when we get to our hotel, what went wrong. It all went a bit of a kerfuffle, didn't it, Mrs. M? She's not happy with me. So anyway, let's enjoy this little chicken kebab. Well, that was our little snack. We are going to head for the hotel now, aren't we? Feeling a little bit more refreshed than we did. We've had a right kerfuffle of a journey, haven't we? I'll go into when we get to the hotel. So we will catch you.
It wasn't that bad. It's just,
No, but it's
it's your fault.
yeah, I knew it was coming. Right, we'll see you at the hotel. Well, that was our epic journey to the hotel. We are knackered. We've been up since 4 this morning.
Poor little food.
We've probably done about 18 million steps each. Now we made a bit of a boob. Well, I made a bit of a boob. I'm going to come clean now. I don't like paying out for transfers because Benidorm is very expensive. So I didn't like paying. So we decided we was going to get the bus, which is what we did last time we came here, if you check my other video. But when we got to the bus stop today, this was for the 1 o'clock bus. This was 12:15. The girl who was doing the ticket, she said, well, the 9 o'clock bus is full, so we have to wait till 2 o'clock. And she said there's an awful lot of people waiting for the 2 o'clock now, so those who don't get on the 1 o'clock one will jump on the 2 o'clock one. So we then thought, well, that might take us till 3 o'clock. So we sat and we pondered for a minute. So we decided to get an Uber, and we went from the airport through to Alicante railway station. No, we haven't got that far yet. Don't give the punchline away. So we got to Alicante station, and that was it's only €2.80 per person one way to go from Alicante to Benidorm Central Station on the tram. So it's worth doing it. Now, so I think we paid €16 for the taxi from Alicante Airport to the station, and then €2.80 each, that's for €5.60, for the tram to take us to, the tram to take us to Benidorm. Now the problem is, there's 2 stations at Benidorm, and I didn't realise that. Because we wanted to get off at the old town, and we ended up getting off right down the other end where the bus station is. So, that then cost us quite a lot of time, because we looked at taxi prices, they were astronomical, so we decided we'd walk back part of the way and then try and get a taxi from there to try and keep the cost down to bare minimum, which in the end we walked all the way back, didn't we? So we're knackered because we just couldn't see. I think the problem is because St Patrick's Day festivities are going on, a lot of the roads are cornered off, and we've just discovered here there's some kind of, which I put in the video, some kind of festival thing on outside here. So maybe that's the reason why taxis are going around, or they're naming their own price basically. So, because it shouldn't be that price that I was quoted to come from the bus station to here. I was being quoted things like £25 and £35 just from Uber. So I thought, no way. We have got Uber from Uber before. So anyway, we have got to the hotel now. You'll see a full hotel review of this place. We're not going to put it in this video because we're knackered. So this is kind of a short video. So I'm not like other YouTube. I don't like to spend 45 minutes on an aeroplane filming this, that, and that. We're not like that. We do the shorts, don't we? We do the short and curly bits. We do the take-off, landing, bar, that's it. And today we didn't have a window seat, so we couldn't really film a lot from the aisle, did we? So anyway, so be that as it was. Thank you if you got this far, for being patient to get this far, and we will hopefully see you in the next one. More to come from Benidorm. Yes, you can go to sleep now. Anyway, from both of us. See you later. Ta-da!
Start of a saying.